Today I'm letting my followers use my money to buy options. Let's get into the video. What's up everyone, my name's Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. So obviously this is going to be a bit of a different video. We have never done a video like this and we want to start doing more videos like this on the channel, so if you guys enjoy, please leave a like on the channel. Basically how this is going to work is I'm going to put up a poll on my Instagram asking my followers whether I should buy calls or puts on a specific stock. And then from there I can sell whenever I feel like it, so I can sell either a second after I buy it or I could sell 10 minutes after I buy it. It's really up to me on that one. Alright, so here's the first post. We're going to be asking them if I should buy calls or puts on SPY. So I'll be back when I have an answer for you guys. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes and that's how long I'm going to give my followers the choice between calls and puts, because the stock's price can change dramatically in those 15 minutes and they might feel differently. So we're going to take a look at what they said, and they said calls and over puts. So 31 votes for calls and 17 votes for puts, so let's go buy some calls. Okay, so the SPY is looking good. Let's see, we're going to go for May 10th and we're going to go for calls, and then I say we just buy it like right at the money. Why not? And we'll buy one SPY call for 400. Actually, you know what? For the meme, let's do the $420 call, and we'll do one SPY put for $420. So let's get it going. And sending order and received. So obviously, let's see if this gets filled. I might have to put it at a little bit higher of a price. I'll let you guys know if it gets filled. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got our order filled for the $420 call option at $192 per contract. So I'll give you guys an update whenever I have one on how this call option is doing and when I want to sell. Alright guys, so I'm back with an update for you guys. So I actually did sell out of my position with SPY, and sadly we are going to have to take a loss on SPY because I let it go for about 30 minutes. And I want to get into a stock that's going to be a little bit more volatile with the options. It was just bouncing back and forth between $5 in profit and $10 in losses. So obviously I sold out at a loss at $1.88 or $188. So we lost about $4 on this trade. But now we are going to get into my favorite stock of all time, Apple, and I think we're going to be able to get some more gains or losses out of this one. So if you guys are here for bloodshed, we'll probably have that. If you guys are here for the gains, we could have that depending on how Apple wants to treat us today. So I just put up the story post a minute ago or 3 minutes ago, and let's see how it's going. So for right now, there's 12 votes for calls and 4 votes for puts, but I'm gonna let it marinate for a little bit to see what the people really want. So I'll be back when we have a decision on that. Alright guys, so it's been a little over 15 minutes and we can now check out what the people have said, and the people have called for calls again, overwhelmingly too. So there's 57 votes for calls, 17 votes for puts. So let's go get that going. Alright, so just a quick technical analysis. Apple has been finding support at about $132.26. So when I'm looking to sell and everything like that, I'm going to be making sure it doesn't dip below that about 26-cent level. So yeah, let's buy our options. I don't want to do too close. May 7th seems like a little bit too close for me. Let's go to May 14th and let's do a $132 call for $222. Let's see if this fills. This seems like a good purchase for me. Come on, Phil. You can fill. You can do it. I'll let you guys know if it fills. I think it will. But yeah, let's see if this works. Alright guys, so my call option has filled. As you guys can see, it's worth about $2.19 or $219 right now. I am down $1 on the day. I'm going to go make some breakfast. I'm going to come back. I'm going to reassess the situation. I kind of want this situation to kind of play out. I don't want to be micromanaging my audience's kind of picks, because they obviously know better than me, as I can see from every time they comment in the Instagram comments how they are such better traders and investors than me. So basically we're going to let them do what they do. We are currently not up, we're not down. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Let's see how this turns out when I get back. Alright guys, so I have another update for you. Basically we bought one Apple call expiring on May 14th for $220 per contract, which is actually pretty cheap. $220 for Apple calls that are in the money, and like a week and a half away, or even almost 2 weeks away, is pretty good for Apple. But anyways, basically, if you guys can see here, I bought it for $220 and I sold it for $231. So that's $11 profit. Obviously, we lost $4 on the last one, so we are $7 in profit for the day. And now we are going to be going into our final trade for the day, because it is 12, and you know, I've been doing stuff all day, so I've just been working this in. But anyways, so we asked our Instagram stories whether we should buy calls or puts on Disney. So we did SPY first, we did Apple last or second, and then we are doing Disney last. This one was a lot closer, but there are 29 votes for calls and there are 16 votes for puts, so we will be buying calls on Disney. Now, I'm not going to lie, this chart does scare me a bit. Disney was up to $188 earlier today, but it has been finding new lows, but it seems like it's found support at about $185.50. So as long as it doesn't go below $185.50, I probably won't sell. I'm going to try to get more gains out of this one. I got $11 out of the last one, but I could have even, I checked later, those same calls were worth about $20 more, so I should have just waited it out. But anyways, we're going to be buying May 7th calls, and this isn't the smartest idea because of time decay and we are so close, but I'd rather buy $185 calls than having to pay a lot more for an expiration date out, especially when I'm just going to be selling this within today. So yeah, we're going to be buying in the money calls at $2.34, so $234. And it filled already, so I will be back and we'll see how it does as the day goes on. And I just wanted to point out that these calls are down 18% on the day, but it has found a nice support over the last about 2 hours, and I am broken even on this right now, but we'll see how Disney continues to do throughout the day. Alright guys, so sadly we fumbled the bag with this Disney call. So as you guys can see here, we bought the Disney calls for an average of $234 per contract, and we sold at about $2.06 per contract. So basically we lost about $28, bringing our total profit and loss for the video to, drumroll, negative $21. We lost $21. We started with about $300 and we did 3 trades, and we lost about an average of $7 per trade. Now, we lost $4 on the first trade, we gained $11 on the second trade, and then we lost $28 on the last trade. So obviously, you know, things can go wrong when you're doing options. If it were me, I wouldn't even be trading these stocks, but I figured why not do blue chip stocks for this first episode. If you guys want to see a second episode, I would definitely be down. Maybe we could do something where when I ask if they want to do calls or puts, I'll sell whenever the first one gets to 5% loss or 5% gain. And maybe next time we can use even more money with maybe $1,000, so maybe we can do some Tesla call options and stuff. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. We will listen. But that is going to be it for today. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and it shows we're doing something right here. But my name is Zach, and I'll see you in the next video.